Hello, my dear students and friends. Welcome to Eloquent English classes, and this is Jyoti. Today, let's learn the appropriate usage of older and elder. So, let's get started. Older or oldest are used to compare the age of both persons and things. When we have to compare the age of a person or a thing, we use older or oldest. जब हम किसी की एज का कंपैरिजन करते हैं, चाहे वो कोई चीज़ हो या कोई व्यक्ति हो, या हम ये बताना चाह रहे हैं कि वो कितना पुराना है या कितनी पुरानी है वो चीज़, तो हम ओल्डर और ओल्डेस्ट यूज़ करते हैं. फाइन. एल्डर और एल्डेस्ट आर यूज्ड in relationship of the same family members, and it is only used for persons. Okay. एल्डर और एल्डेस्ट जो है कब यूज करते हैं? एक तो रिलेशनशिप के लिए यूज करते हैं, एक ही फैमिली के रिलेशनशिप के लिए, और ओनली पर्सन्स के लिए यूज होता है, थिंग्स के लिए नहीं यूज होता है एल्डर और एल्डेस्ट. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन यूज ओल्डर और ओल्डेस्ट एंड एल्डर और एल्डेस्ट. तो सबसे पहले हम करते हैं ओल्डर और ओल्डेस्ट. हिज हाउस इज ओल्डर देन माइन. उसका घर जो है मेरे घर से पुराना है. His house is older than mine. This elephant is older than that. So we use older here. Saksham is 10 years older than I. Now Saksham is 10 years older than I. So here also we have used older for person. He is the oldest voter of independent India. So here we have used oldest. Now let's see how we can use elder or eldest. Geeta is the eldest child of her family. Same relationships. So she is the eldest child of our family. Rajiv is my elder brother. Similarly, my elder sister is my inspiration. So we have used elder or eldest for relationships of the same family members, and it is only used for persons, whereas older or oldest are used for persons, comparing the age of persons or things. I hope it's clear and you have understood. So please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.